What the fuck is wrong with you, Tonya?
Ain't nothing wrong with me, nigga. Shit.
Well, your ass don't look too good. Where the fuck is JB?
Smoking.
And what about you?
I mean, you know, I quit. You know what I'm saying? Almost.
Yeah, whatever.
JB, look, JB gonna lose.
Hey, look, let's make this quick. I got shit to do.
Nigga, you need to slow it down. Tanisha was right.
All right, shit, where we going?
Trucks at the Davis Sheriff Impound.
Oh, man, how did I get dragged into this?
We both know you always been sweet on me. Shit, Franklin Clinton.
Shit, your ass must be high or something.
I told you, I don't do that. Come on. I don't do that shit no more. I mean, I baby doze now and again just for the taste. But I'm doing good, boo. Your eyes don't lie.
Whatever you say, girl. Come on.
There's JB's truck. Let's go bring the cha-ching, homie.
Now listen, maybe San Andreas should secede from the whole country. We had about enough of those rednecks bringing our country down, but listen...
Vehicle 29, come in. This is dispatch. We got an abandoned car at San Andreas Avenue.
Yo, we on that like ugly on your mama.
10-9, come again? I didn't catch that.
It's Tonya, fool, and my boy Franklin. We filling in for JB.
Copy that. Hi, Tonya. Car's a junker. Been there for days. 10-7. I'm gone.
A bucket. This one should be easy.
Shit, not easy enough for JB to drag his ass out of whatever crack house he laying in.
His loss, your gain, sugar.
Except I ain't gaining shit, sugar.
Move that seat back, and you know I'll make it right for you.
That ain't what I'm saying. Damn, Tonya, what the fuck happened to you?
Don't even tell me you just hooked up the wrong car.
If you disrespect that blocker, block the choppers on these droppers, fuck these droppers. I'm a pilot like Tupac or Biggie Papa, yeah, you outta, but I'm hotter. Carjacking, pistol backing, motherfucking choppers clapping, metal jacket.
You said you'd help me.
Anything designer, fruits, boppers, they all gonna swallow. It's a problem, the robber. Rules in the bottle, they hate it, a lot. You love and got it. Never seen Andreas, screaming from the world. Going back to Cali, back to Cali.
Vehicle 29, come in. This is dispatch. We got an abandoned car at San Andreas Avenue.
Yo, we on that like ugly on your mama.
10-9, come again? I didn't catch that.
It's Tonya, fool, and my boy Franklin. We filling in for JB.
Copy that. Hi, Tonya. Car's a junker. Been there for days. 10-7. I'm gone.
A bucket. This one should be easy.
Shit, not easy enough for JB to drag his ass out of whatever crack house he laying in.
His loss, your gain, sugar.
Except I ain't gaining shit, sugar.
Move that seat back, and you know I'll make it right for you.
That ain't what I'm saying. Damn, Tonya, what the fuck happened to you?
ATM robberies has locals concerned.
Devin Weston by Steak in Richard's Majestic.
His i5 street map sharing pics of you on the toilet.
A car dealership in Pillbox Hill was destroyed yesterday when a joyrider smashed into the showroom. Premium Deluxe Motorsports come under investigation for loan scams and high interest rate financing, but the owner, Simon Mutarian, assured police that this incident was purely an accident and not a...
Okay, I've seen JB do this 100 times. Back up close. Make sure the hook is down, and it should slide right in.
Following a spate of robberies at ATM machines across Los Santos, the LSPD has issued...
Aight, baby. Back it up nice and steady.
mistrustful of anybody who doesn't look like them.
Los Santos' prominent financial guru and investor, Devin Weston, made a typically unexpected move yesterday, just as conventional wisdom is moving out of movies.
Okay, we are in, baby. Let's get this back to the lot.
Hey, this was not how I saw my day going.
Richards Majestic. Head of production, Solomon Richards, son of legendary founder David Richards, welcomed Mr. Weston onto the board.
Technology news. Web juggernaut iFind is sending cars with sophisticated cameras to take pictures of every street and house in America, including images of the inside of your home. CEO Trip.
So I ain't seen you around the hood much?
I've been trying to branch out. Can't stay in Chamberlain Hills forever.
Oh, nigga got airs now. I remember you before you was a wannabe when you just was.
And I remember you and JB before y'all was dope heads. Shit changed.
You the one all turfed up? JB smoking, but he ain't smoking homies. He out here grinding, towing cars, paying bills.
For real.
That's whack.
Cause I could have sworn it was me out here towing cars for him.
And looking damn fine doing it too, baby. Oh, hell. Okay, we make the drop where they got the areas marked. They get real finicky when we don't leave it in the right place. Jesus. That's whack. All good, Franklin. Unhook that thing. Oh, hell. Jesus. I'll see you on the block. Anything you need, you holler at me. Now, where is that fool?